Hello everyone. In my last session, I already discussed these two points of silk screen printing. Okay. So here you see the silk screen printing method rules are: if you first is component name in your board are write down necessary. Okay. And after that the values of your component, if your component friends have any value, okay, or package number of your component, or name of your component or versions, any information of your component, so you must put in your code. Okay. Uh, when when uh, when you design your layout in Eagle software. Okay, so it is a very important thing. Okay, so after that, in my last point, it's clear that second one looks more sophisticated. Okay, regarding its visual appeal and ease of use. That is the point where the art of the PCB silkscreen comes into the play. Okay, so that is the PCB silkscreen process. Okay, and the color. Okay, you see here the color of silkscreen. Okay, for year. So you understand, a basic understand what is the PCB silkscreen. Okay. So in my next slide, we discuss what is PCB silkscreen in YouTube. Okay, here you see your top PCB. Here you see the yellow color sign. Okay, yellow color. Okay, that is the your PCB silkscreen. Okay, you see here yellow color. That is the PCB silkscreen. Okay, so this color referred in your PCB, that means the silk screen. Okay, in your here you see here that is the silk screen. Okay. So here what is it discussion? That is, you can imagine that the roads, okay, and streets on a map do not make any sense if you can't see text and legends identifying where every connection leads to. Okay, so here the one example here. If you we right now we are going to a new place, so here need to know what is the name of this place. Okay, so where are we going? Okay, so first we identify the names of these places. Okay, so first we identify the name. Okay, so after that we can, if we don't know this place, we help, uh, that is Google Map. Okay, by this help of this Google Map, we put down in your map the typing, the text typing, the place name or something else, or near the place name, place near the place landmark name. Okay, so here the same place by in your board. Okay, if you some example, if you assume it is the one type of map. Okay, okay, some places map. Okay, so or any country map. Okay, that is any country map. Okay. So here you see here that is the one place. Okay, so and that is another place. That is another place. So that is, you see here the symbols. You see here that is the different type, different place. Okay, so here we first that is we type in your Google Map where you can go. Okay, so first we type our place name. Okay, first you type your, okay, for example, I see I show you some example. Okay, some for better understanding why this initial screen are very much important. Okay. So first I open my Eagle software. Okay, so here I see an example. Okay, so you see here. Okay. Okay, I open this window. Is open. Okay, you see here that is the board information. Okay, so that is my final layout. Okay, after this layout we can make the garbage generator, which garbage generator helps the PCB for PCB making. Okay, after that I that is not important right now. So where you see here, that is the name of some component. So that is the name of some component. See here, that is the name. Oh, this is the name. So first I search. I search what first you don't have any name here. Okay, I will assume you don't have any name. Assume here. Okay, so you listed it in your paper. Okay, but you not put here any name in your code, final code. Okay, so by this help of your paper, okay, while you put or write down your note and the component name here, you see where first you can't understand where you put your R10. Okay, okay, in this board, okay, this resistance you don't know. Okay. So first you go to here. Here you see here put R10. So you see one element found here. So where it is found, you see here. That is your component which are already selected. Okay. So for this reason we can put this name. Okay. So That is the importance of cell script, PCB cell script. Okay. So we can easily find out our components where we put or where some errors. Okay. Sometimes we have any error. Okay. Or making or correction on this book. Okay. So mismatching of connections. Okay. Line or routing lane. Okay. So for correction we can found this component or connection name. Okay. So by this searching method we easily find our component or routing line name. Okay. So thank you for this is system. Okay. You can understand what is this system. Thank you.